Hey everyone, imagine making your own game, animation or story without writing a single line of code. That's what we're about to do with Scratch. Let's dive in. First things first, how to join. Go to scratch.mit.edu. Click Join Scratch, choose a fun username and password, and follow the steps. Already have an account? Just click Sign In. This is the first page that will appear for you. From here, you can click Create and start creating your first project. Now let's explore the Scratch interface. This is called the interface of Scratch. Scratch is a fun website because it allows you to code without the need of learning any language because it codes using blocks. And also, it doesn't need any app. You just go to the website and start coding right away. First, this is the stage. Think of this like the theater or the screen. It's where animation or the game you create will play. And if you want to make the stage bigger, you can do so from this one here. Below the stage, we have the sprite area. This is called the sprite. So actors or characters you will be using for your game are called sprites. You can add them from here. Or you can click this one, surprise, and Scratch will randomly select a sprite for you. From here, you can control the size of these sprites and where they are located, as well as the direction. When you open Scratch, you will always see this cat already there. Next is the backdrop button. So here, we can control our backdrops. From here, you can add any backdrop you want. This is like picking the scene for your story. Now here is the important part. This section is the code section. Here we have the code and the customs and the sounds. Here you have your blocks. And what's fun about Scratch is that the blocks are colored. For example, all the blue ones are related to motion. The purple ones for the looks, whether you want to say something, switch the custom of your sprite, or change the size, you will find them in the looks. The sound, here you can find events, control, sensing, and so on. So what is this place in the middle? The place in the middle is called the script area. This is your workspace, like a table where you build your code. And if you select the cat sprite, you will only be coding here for the cat sprite. All what you need is to bring the code from the left and put it here. And if you choose this one, this green flag is like the start of the code. You could press it to run your code. And as you can see, it just moved 10 steps. And this red one is the red stop anytime you want to stop the code. Simple, right? Now let's try something together. Let's delete these sprites. Let's first select a new backdrop. Let's choose the boardwalk. And now I will choose my sprites. Here you can find different types of sprite. Let's go to the fantasy and select nano. Let's try to make our sprite move and say something at the same time. So first, this event is the first thing you need, and then you can just snap other blocks to it. For example, let's say move 10 steps and say hi Pandabood for 2 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Hi Pandabood, hi Pandabood, hi Pandabood. Now instead of keep clicking run every time, you could go to the control and repeat this forever. Congratulations, you've just made your first project. Scratch is a place where you can create anything you imagine. You will learn how to code step by step, just like building with Lego. And the best part, you get to share your ideas with the world. Subscribe and join Pandabood in the next video. See you soon.